Oh, the 8.5 street. Yeah, up in the jungle, they don't know all the yard.
Yeah. So then with Arnett Garden, 8.5 street.
I don't know certain things settlement. Here I don't know.
The inner city.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Life, man.
This
Life,
thanks.
you know?
And tell them, introduce
building, I
yourself.
see.
Introduce yourself to the program.
Yeah, man, this is a great Glen Aldine, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. They are run off some parish band with me and you see? Peanut and arm in the car,
Yeah.
sawfish fitters, you see?
No carrot porridge today.
No carrot porridge, you see?
And I want them to see
Yeah,
us.
the carrot them get expensive, you see?
Oh, the carrot them get
Yeah.
expensive.
So this is the arm in the car, you see?
How many can that?
Yeah, and the peanut are shell down.
So these are the peanut porridge.
Yeah.
See, so the army can porridge now. One way you putting at that now. We used to make that.
I put coconut milk. Yeah, coconut milk and normal milk.
No, man.
Yeah, with the nothing egg and vanilla and you know the whole way.
Yeah. And your flickers.
Yeah. I want to say the fritters are finished now, still looking forward on the verge and everything I done.
Everything I do.
And there's two left back where see there, and them where I tell you about the nice curry fritters, I saw them pretty.
The curry fritters.
Yeah.
Yeah, give thanks. So how is it growing up in the inner city?
Well, I don't know if you just keep yourself quiet and behave yourself in the city, because I don't know the youth them set them meditation more time. Yeah. Yeah, from long as you know, I guess no problem, everything good and okay, see?
Yeah. You know Purge?
Yeah, man. Oh, that's me them, sir. Yeah. Well, I don't know how things set. From years, me I do them things, yeah. I don't know your life rise and fall, see? So.
Yeah.
We never give up in our life, so we there try about the thing one more time again, you see?
See?
And hopefully next time you pass through the thing up the right way.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah.
I want to see carrot porridge now.
Yeah,
Want to see them.
the carrot porridge.
Yeah, man.
Line up on the peanut porridge for me. So what you say, these are the best right now in 8th Street?
Yeah, the thing kind of alright so far still, you know?
Yeah, and you do the best peanut porridge. And, I mean, are you basically you're the porridge man up this side?
Yeah, nice breakfast in the morning. You know, on a Sunday you just get straight porridge. During the week you get like all the ackee and saltfish, mackerel rundown, you know the thing, all works.
During the week?
Yeah, during the week.
So how long do you start this business?
And from November I do this, you know? Yeah.
From November?
Yeah.
So what you were doing before that?
Well, I did down in the trench town and my father's business place. Yeah, that's a main place where I did from first. Starting out doing any type of business, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, I leave from there, so I come from up out of the mountain view.
Okay. So
Yeah. I'm going to chef it up for some people, some great people them still.
Okay, so you've been doing the chef thing for a long
Yeah,
time.
just like the cooking thing, cause food is stuff of life. Yeah, life for daily, that's it.
Yeah, true. So you finally got independent now where...
Yeah, we just spread the wings and we just branch off and now so far still. Situation that's we just try to make the youth them can eat and be merry as how we used to grow up, you see?
Yeah, see there.
You had the great chemo, you know.
Cool now.
Yeah, from 3rd Street, don't
3rd
it?
Street. And yeah, from 4th Street.
Yeah, we're running. The rest of the food in our body, you know?
Yeah, see there. And it's the right way. Ital is vital.
Yeah, so you put the main thing, put the good things in there, meditate, yeah, belly.
Yeah.
Yeah, you meditate on good stuff, you see?
Yeah, the good life.
Yeah, the good life.
So you have to have the good things then.
I want to say now we are praying now like it's a farm here, can you see?
Okay, so
Yeah, look how ones just farm up everything, look at banana.
Local farming.
Yeah, you get a little cane and plant over the peas. You know, look at works,
Yeah.
color low and everything over there, so you see?
And him still get him support, see me.
Yeah, man, come for him color there. Upon Sunday now, just loan color cutting and go on, you see?
Yeah.
Yo, so me 2 hand sanitizer there.
Yeah.
Do me show you one, do me say 7 bills to that one here.
7?
Do man see about the normally 350 and 300 for them here.
So you purchase one thing and now,
Yeah.
2.
I two.
So you know, so the price of
Yeah.
vegetables has gone up, so it has stand up on.
You buy one thing and you have 2 things. At the end of the day, eat them things on the right.
Yeah.
No
So
more.
you said it's a regular customer.
Yeah,
So
it's
you,
all-
blessing.
Yeah, man.
So what you think about the porridge?
Quite good, man.
You know, so the man says, see there, are the best porridge right
Great
now.
peanut porridge, you know?
Great porridge.
Real peanut porridge. And man, you always come give him support, see him here.
Time, man.
Every morning them on a day here. Them on a leave me out a inch, you know? But
Yeah.
the best. I tailor this to you know.
Okay,
so
I tailor.
every time you want your suit fix you know the whole works. Them money just can come link them money up in the 8.5 street. If I see me, ask for them money. You make you get them your suit sort out and all kind of sit there, you see?
So introduce yourself today.
It's a skiller.
Skiller.
Yeah.
Arnett Garden, say, yeah, man, a born and great Arnett Garden.
Man, Barnum, 5 Dempsey Street.
From where, 5th Street?
5 Dempsey Street.
Stamp Street.
Oh, 5 Dempsey Street. And that's where, like,
Right, that road they will go up there, so that's
Okay.
the road they will go.
so you're the famous tailor man of the area. Everybody can find you if them see you
Yeah,
right
man,
now.
everybody fine.
Yeah, and you're known for your thing.
Yeah,
You know, so them locally people are going to see you, know, see me, because people watch this a lot.
yeah.
Then definitely will support you, you know.
Yeah, man.
Now, how long have you been doing your tailoring?
I come to there from leave school.
You leave school.
Yeah, from early school.
That from Wapia kill for Woody for years.
Only 5 years.
So your trademark thing now.
That's all I
Family
can remember.
Family thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So your family been doing it before you. Who your mom, your dad?
Grandfather, my father, my brother, my cousin.
Yeah. That's a good look, man. You use financial to help out yourself, right?
Yeah,
True.
man, right through.
Okay, you need. Right, true. You have kids and them thing there.
Yeah, man.
So the benefit through the same way. But big school, them got high school.
Yeah, man. High school.
High school, and I see them tailoring. So it's a good thing then, so at least people will get inspired by who want to be a tailor. Have a skills, something. Yeah, stop guys, a good way. So you know if anything I'm more on my little thing to come take in, I know what to find now.
Yeah, man.
So we definitely will circle here. Definitely local, because they know already. So give thanks, man. Cheapies too, yeah.
Anytime I see them mother work, I want the work put on over and over, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, finish, man.
So everything sell out from. Yeah. Everything sell out from early.
Everything from early. So the curry fritters done it. And I see the peanut butter on the branch of finish that thing.
Yeah.
That's how I saw it back up time.
Introduce yourself to the program, let them know.
Yeah.
See them.
Don't know, I'm Shine's Tire Shop, you know, I'm a little brother and you understand what I mean? So I'm just the bigger one where they are going to do the maths, you see? So while they're on the road, I go and do certain things and me they are going to go up
See you,
at
man.
the same time, you see?
Yeah, see
So they are going to do the good thing, you know, you hear that?
Good life.
Jamaica Good Life program, real program, truly.
So how long are you doing this tire thing?
I do about a couple about shop what mark about 3 years now, but since 2.5 years now. We know about this tire work, there was somebody before me and him teach me the work, so from there so I get to move on and progress as the day go by, you understand?
So at least it's change your life, so at least you can do something that's positive.
Yeah man, which is right man, serious positive move man.
Yeah. I never go school for learning or nothing like that.
No, but only thing that me I go back to a little class and now forget you the serving ticket, you know, say if anything overseas you can know, say you can get a break off, so you have a serving ticket for sure.
Yeah.
From here, you understand what I mean? So,
tell them exactly which way they say if anybody want to watch your program, them can see you.
no, say if you locate at 8, at Cali Smith Drive, 8th Street, you don't know in a good area, you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
No war them little thing, if you stop at the tire shop or just positive thing, you understand what I mean? No little breakdown thing, you understand what I mean? Good vibes,
Good vibes. And you get your tire fixed up right here and then straight away.
Yeah,
See the
vulcanized plug, patch, sell all tire, used tire, and brand new tire when we have it available, you understand?
So everything, so you got everything.
Picture the tire them tire, you know? One there, the new tire, used tire, you know?
So these are the new and used.
New and used.
Okay. So we refix them back, patch them back and
we will patch them back and sell them back to people, you know? Everybody passing through one the new tire. Get a new tire set speed, you understand? Or a used one.
If you pass 8th Street, chop a tire, you have the money to buy a brand new one. can get a brand new section,
Yeah.
man.
Alright, from there on Spanish Town Road and can't find a tire
Tire
shop.
shop. Just come up here. Come up College Smith
Come
Drive.
Drive.
8th Street.
Yeah.
Good tire shop.
Good tire shop. You see the tire man. Yeah.
Shines tire shop.
Can't miss it. So
Can't
shine.
miss it.
Yeah, miss it. There.
And internet cafe also, you understand what I mean?
So you have internet cafe right next door as well. Are the same businesses, same connection?
Same connection.
See there, so
Also a party ice on the block. So those say I keep a good party.
yeah.
You can pass through.
Last year get the ice them up and things there.
See there right away. So if you want to hear in your tire, still can stop by. Shine, see me and fix it, see me. Brawling HQ. See there. Brawling now good way. Come on, boy. Can't say
I'm general, but I'm here, man. That's the things that you know. And goodness and goodness, no.
yeah.
So, while all Jamaican to be safe, you know. You see what I say?
Yeah,
Live a good life.
Yeah.
See it? Because some of my fans and some friends, you see what I say? See that? Don't know. Then you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And it's nice to live a good life because it's the best life.
Yeah, man.
Isn't it? So,
I have life, you know.
yeah, so how is the niceness of them places? See, man?
Yeah, place, huh?
Yeah.
Man, the place go on, man. The place, you know.
Nice and everything.
Yeah. I have a party and thing, and we have a look area, and you know.
Football and things.
Yeah, everything just smooth.
Smooth and
And
nice.
fireman can't tell that because fireman around for the back road, so
Yeah.
know what go on.
Me and him grew up still, you know.
Yeah.
That one, me and him grew up still. You don't know that I like the niceness. You see, because I like how the people them kind of develop still.
Yeah, man, if you see what go on the front all about, up on the forward where so push the show, you see some rare, you see that? See that? Down on the side have chicken and chips down there, so you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And over there, so the
Back, yeah, and back
Bass
to the
Theatre.
theatre. You see it? Old preach and thing. Where so the people them go and
Bass
play football
Theatre.
and yeah, basketball court around too.
Okay.
Them build.
And them used to have a gym over there, still over there,
No,
same,
no, us the theatre alone I use as school and church and certain events keep over there.
Okay, so you turn school now.
Yeah, it turn like some bad pitney at school, them left from parishes come right there. So.
Yeah, see them. So that the community school see me.
Yeah, they're coming to school. Because you have people from Trenchtown and like Jonestown school.
Yeah.
All over. It's a Jamaica white thing.
Come to go Trenchtown, but your face kind of look familiar to you. Come to go Trenchtown
Trenchtown,
school.
man, that's the man. I'm not Trenchtown.
Yeah. When them calling you, I'm saying, yo, chicken. Yes, sir. Everything good at that way. I'm going to live a good life.
Really good, see, boy. I have to make it good, though.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, man, I need the video, man.
Liverpool, I'm a champion for this year.
Champion, you know, all when the league crash, you know, we still get the trophy, you know,
Yeah,
beat
yeah.
it up.
See him here, Liverpool,
Alright.
we have fun to see now.
Black, you know? Black for the sea, yeah.
Black.
Yeah, you are. Black.
Johnny Walker.
Yeah.
Famous like that, you know. Johnny Walker, you know. So it's a bar this way of yourself.
Take a walk going and think, man.
Front. Yeah, man, show that. Forward and front. When I forward, show what going. Eh? So you check it up on YouTube, man. You got to see it, you know.
Check it in the bar, man.
They're
Take a
going
walk
in
in the
front.
bar,
They're in
man.
the bar, dog. They're going in front. You want me? I might want me to do it, sir. Okay, so the highway stop. Bar and pub.
They know that. You have to the bar and the west and the grill bar. The big that inside of our running.
Okay, so you have the grill when you start. What? If that realize.
Go to the side. You come here to come buy a local product for your one. You see what I say? We did jerk chicken and jerk pork. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Fry festival. Jerk chicken there.
So is it open like during the week and
Yeah, we
thing?
open from Monday to Saturday.
What time?
Work from, alright, we work, so we live at work from 5 o'clock. Up to 5 o'clock, we play something up on Friday, from 5 in the morning. It's until 11 o'clock. We used to Wednesday because when the thing them done, most of them that was done. You see what I say?
Yeah,
They don't do anything.
So how long you know that business is open?
Long time I've been there, so man. Long time, years.
Right from the corner, East Street
And Kyle Smith Drive.
and College Smith Drive. So anybody wanna pass, see it, yeah.
Yeah, through 100 yards upon the 8 seat and cartridge line. You see that?
So I have to come circle, man, when it open, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm in the Jamaica Good Life, so I go on.
Alright.
Out there here in East Street, you know. Soap and thing, everything.
Jerk chicken festival. There's in fries sprat. Them things are really on the base, there's in. Bar on that side, there's in. But I'm looking for the ones that want to go shop on that side. You see that?
Over there, so?
Yeah, they can have good place and sell it. Because we all look at the store on the side up so. You know that?
Yeah.
You want to buy the that side and you can buy the shop, buy the other side. So that's what you see the surrounding.
Yeah. But like, because a lot of production are going, you know?
Bar there, so I get tire shop there, so internet cafe there, so barber shop there, so. When I went into the tire shop, sell ice and them things. You see that? Party ice, yeah, color so.
See you, man.
Party ice, child, same thing, at the tire shop.
So in here says like a little uptown then, you get everything right in one spot.
Yeah, so everything there is surrounded, liquor store, everything there, so.
How do you not have no cash machine yet?
No, we don't have cash machine.
But you take credit card and everything you see.
A good life.
It's a good life.
It's a good life. You have chicken and chips down for the forward, I'm saying already.
But no, right down at the end part there.
Right across the road there, so.
That's our 7th Street, right at Mexico.
Yeah, right at Mexico, so. And the police station at 7th Street, you see that?
Yeah.
So you know, say a good cover there, so.
Yeah.
And the police station nearby. So nobody have a threat to come near the area.
Yeah.
And pass, you can pass and stop the body now, nobody not up.
Everything is good now, so nobody now have to worry, them can pass through.
Yeah, man.
Everybody.
Stop, drink your liquor, and move.
Yeah.
You see, kind of thing go on. Nobody now see you and rob you and attack, and we do them things around us. But it's a different round us.
Straight good life.
Yeah, good life, thing go on.
So the people
Stop
them.
anywhere you want to stop. Tire shop, fix a thing. The police and Soda Street.
Yeah.
Like a main road.
Yeah.
We put on Soda frequency or something. So, I'm say, pass to the jungle, you know, so you will take care.
Yeah,
I have everything.
Right,
you can
yes,
stop
sir.
anywhere you want to stop.
And now for worry about nothing, so tourists them, because a lot of overseas people watch
yeah,
a program.
tourist pass with place, man.
Yeah.
Up a jungle top, they have. I'll show you where Chinese them come to some.
Yeah.
You see, my boy named, it's something like Africa, you know.
Okay.
Buffalo, brother.
Buffalo, brother.
Yeah, But them go on them part there, see?
Yeah.
Chinese them go down a trench town, they walk from here, so go down a trench town, walk from down a trench town, come up a 100 yards.
Yeah.
You don't know the things already. You see me, that's
Yeah,
a
man.
good life.
A good life,
Yeah,
man. Because
yeah,
trench town, the point and they go with a bag of things, you know.
Yeah, trench town,
You know,
good life. You see me, I say?
A good life. Some to the artists, them non artists on the corner and thing, man. The talent, them want to be talent, them.
No, you have most football them for
Be a baller.
Be a baller. Most baller and
Be a
man,
baller.
play basketball. I say basketball court around or so. Yeah, in the creature, so.
Yeah.
See, if you look through, you see the hoop there between the two buildings, so. You see?
Yeah, see
So,
that.
so every day, every 4 or 5 o'clock, you go play basketball tonight.
And football. And it's a good life.
Yeah, it's a good life.
Right here in East Street, so the people them- People them in a pass, you know, so they get the best jerk right there, so.
Yeah.
Bar and grill, stuff man having a drink. And them say the place is nice, not for worry about nothing. Everybody in the life well
You take taxi
protected.
come in here, you carry taxi to go back out any hours.
Yeah, from anywhere.
Yeah, anyway, town, cross, and half a street. Anyway, you want to go, but 3 miles you want to go, you get taxi for the
Yeah.
same day.
Nah.
It's an upgrade place. You see
Yeah,
that?
yeah. Come
Big up
can
taxi
see.
man. Yo, taxi man. Big up.
Big up. Yeah, we can see so the place now is more life and you know. Everybody I try a thing now and it's more established. I'm kinda like that.
Yeah, man.
Kinda like that, man.
Yes, no child, man. People have a fret, man. Because people don't come here garrison, them hear from news the garrison bad, but they have to come.
Yeah, for see it.
See the garrison. Because I usually check like people, you know, so I don't go certain place, you know. But when I realize, no, society make we look bad.
Yeah, true.
So we have to go there. No, say, yo, this not bad.
Yeah, it not bad.
You see that there?
And when them see this now, them
Yeah.
sister, yo, it not bad because we keep on highlight the positivity.
Yeah, so you have a good life. You see
Yeah,
that there?
because them always talk about the negative. We can't always talk about that. So we have to show them the goodness. Because enough people see them like, rah. Things when I hear, it wasn't like that. You know,
Yeah, and then
there's a
they
lot
come.
of good
They have
people
to come.
still about CM. Yeah.
Watch out. Mali with them live here. Mali with them tell you about
Yeah,
it.
tell you
Yeah.
about that, yeah. So,
Telling and seeing is two different. So you have to see it now like how we
yeah,
are
see
show
it
them.
yourself, see it yourself. Because when you come see it yourself, you have think negative, same way. when the positive have come on the positive side.
You have to come and see.
You know, say, yo, you know, say me and you about jungle, and me know say for jungle, nice.
Yeah.
Because me do topless. I mean, get girls to come. And when them come, the girl must say the first them come at them place.
Yeah.
I know that's so them place are nice.
Nice,
Them place
yeah.
are always nice. It's just society tell
Yeah.
people place.
Yeah.
Them now come here. So them picture bad picture for you.
Yeah, because remember if you're here, you know, you're like, you don't go to sign even want.
Right,
No
right,
interest
right.
for go and see. You see me? To went and experience yourself, you're like, no man. If 1 million people live here, so probably 10 out of the million are going with them foolishness.
Alright. So
And
everybody
it's
can bad.
yeah.
Everybody can bad.
So everybody
You do
can.
have the complex.
Football complex, see him
People
here.
come a regular.
Yeah.
It's a joking.
Yes, like all the
Yeah,
active with people.
Right. You never hear a car get robbed boy like that. You
True,
never hear a car get robbed, people come by a car get robbed.
true, you never,
And I think to,
you never.
you see, so I would say a good life.
It's a good life, yeah.
Man, big up my friend Giant, you see that? Big man.
Manners. And it's a good life. I say everybody is easy, you can heal everybody, you know. Everybody genuine.
Some tourists that come down for your village for a time.
Same time.
I come down from the flank, you know?
Yeah.
I know them love Jamaica and I love Jamaica National, you know?
And no tourists never get robbed, boy.
I get
Yeah.
that boy, yeah.
I see and think them saying a trench, so no tourists never get robbed.
Mad man.
I not supposed
I
to.
must say in Sweden I get robbed, but that change so that jump.
The people them can come and visit. Right now with that 8th Street, yeah, and you can see Carl Smith Drive. Nothing happen, more than was the people live them life.
Now man I get him ice, eh?
So man I get him ice there, man come get him tire fix.
Chip,
You see me?
yeah, is that it?
Right away. Everything is active, man. Come then I water out as well too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go everywhere I go.
Come to my place, man. Who place to my place, man?
Cause I feel I like the inner city and make them know say yo, there's so much life in Jamaica cause them a paint the picture so bad. To make it look like say yo the inner city them create the most problem.
Yeah.
Which is nothing like that. If it's an individual do something, they make it feel like say the whole area do it.
The whole area bad.
You see me? And it's not like that.
The area bad now, check this. The area bad, check them house there, on the front.
Yeah.
I build up them big house up on the front.
Need all them posh house up on
You know
the
that?
front.
You want to build a big house up on the front. You can see, you know. Yeah, I don't like a car there if you're on a render or something. I want to
Yeah. And no house now get broken and nothing like that. You know, so
The thing govern.
thing govern, man. People is not one here and you can come and experience it for yourself. You see me? These trip them gone now. Trip them gone. Yeah man, so it's a good look man, and make them know big up yourself once more.
Yeah man, big up myself man. Yeah man, I mean I jerk man, red man man.
See
You see?
So it's a,
You see me I say we do jerk pork, jerk chicken, soup. You see? We do fry festival, we do fried fish. Same way, roast breadfruit, same way for the egg, you see? You can see bar and grill there. So you
have the best jerk boy here?
Eh?
You have the best jerk?
Best jerk and best soup boy.
Yeah.
Man, I soup when I go here and I can run the place.
Yeah. So make a flower during the week come show the people them want to go and then.
Continue.
Come and like the look.
Yeah, man, fast forward, I see big man. I see big man. No, I go run after you.
Yeah.
You can't pass through.
I forgot pass through when time the cookings are going and everything to the people them see.
I don't know, we have a hand to sell our church to you.
Yeah.
I'm 500.
You are reasonable man and everything man then see a laugh man.
My next jerk friend then. Set up on the block up sound so much.
See big up yourself jerk man. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.